Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel, Daily English Practice. Today, I will tell you a simple and interesting story. Listen carefully and try to understand every sentence. Let's begin. Long ago, in a small village at the edge of a forest, there lived a washerman. He owned a donkey who helped him carry loads of clothes to and from the river every day. The donkey was loyal and hard-working, but the washerman was unkind and often forgot to feed him properly. The poor donkey grew thin and tired. One evening, after a long day of work, the donkey wandered into the forest in search of food. As he walked through the woods, something unusual caught his eye. It was an old lion's skin, left behind by a hunter who had dried it in the sun and forgotten it. The donkey went closer and examined it. It looks just like a real lion's skin, he thought. Then an idea lit up in his mind. If I wear this, I will look like a lion. Everyone will be afraid of me. I can go anywhere I want and eat as much as I please. No one will dare come near me. Excited by the plan, he carefully slipped into the lion's skin. He looked at his reflection in a pond and was shocked. He really looked like a lion. Even his own shadow looked majestic. The next morning, he walked into the fields near the village wearing the lion's skin. As soon as the farmers saw the lion, they panicked. "A lion in the fields," someone shouted. "Run for your lives." The villagers dropped everything and fled to their homes. The donkey chuckled to himself, though he dared not laugh aloud. 4 days, the donkey enjoyed a life of freedom and luxury. He entered gardens, farms, and fields, eating the best vegetables and fruits. Every time he came near people, they ran away, thinking he was a dangerous lion. The donkey felt proud and powerful. "I am no longer a weak donkey," he thought. "I am feared and respected." But as the days passed, his pride grew bigger than his belly. He began roaming around more boldly, forgetting to be careful. One day, while enjoying fresh cucumbers in a farm, he became so delighted that he couldn't control himself. He looked up at the sky, opened his mouth wide, and let out a loud bray. The nearby farmers, who had been watching from a distance, were stunned. "Wait! That's no lion. That's a donkey in disguise," one of them cried. Realizing the truth, the villagers rushed toward him with sticks and stones. The donkey tried to run, but the lion's skin got tangled around his legs. The angry farmers caught him and beat him badly. He barely managed to escape with his life and limped back to the forest. From that day on, the donkey never dared to wear the lion's skin again. He had learned his lesson the hard way. Moral of the story: you can fool people for a while by pretending, but your true nature will eventually be revealed. Pretending to be someone else brings shame, not respect. That's the end of today's story. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English stories. See you next time.